On the road again, heading to the airport. I'll be thinking of you when I'm chilling down in New York. I hate that I don't see you now that it's summer. You're not the only one, girl, I know it's a bummer. Everybody raise your hands, put them in the sky if your girl has said bye in the month of July. We used to be so close, I don't know what happened, but I guess that you can say that's the reason I started rapping. I thought we'd be together, thought we'd be connected. Didn't think that one day I would find myself neglected. Not gonna lie, even I feel bad, cause I'm the best guy that you wish you never had. Hey, speak up, yes that's what they all say. See your eyes, feel your heart, I can't wait till I see the day. I love you, who knew that I left you? I came back, we had fun, but now it's done. We would fight but never run, always be together, sounding like a deal. I gotta keep it real, so tell me how you feel. And it's right now, you're right here, you're with me. Have no fear, we're so close, we're so near. I love you, it's so clear. Love is like a card game, cheaters always lose, and you the only reason why I'm drinking all these booze. $1,000,000 question, will I see you again? I don't need an answer, I know it's not the end.